Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. So like I promised in the previous video, I went to Best Buy and picked up another XB10 so we can see how the XB20 stacks up to two XB10s playing in stereo mode. This video would have gone up a couple days ago, but I was waiting to feel a little bit better than I did when I made my previous video. My voice sounded really bad and I apologize for that, and thank you. Anyways, let's get back to this video. The XB10s will be playing in stereo mode. In order for you to be able to hear that, you need to be using headphones so they can separate the left and right channel. I will be using a high quality binaural microphone, so please again, use headphones for the best experience. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you. Don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not.
Fly like Aladdin but the cold assassin. Suicide bombing like I'm straight out of Aspen. Lights, camera, action, I'm the main attraction. Call me heartbreaking like Zara Jackson. I am for real. This real life hobby moving fast, push away like Miami Vibe. I ain't got no time to waste, it's finally my time. How he chasing money in the city of bright light. Working day, I grind and late. One of your days when I lose sight. Just wanna hang, but I'll be alright. Pop part from those just for the light. Repeats for the face and the all be right. I'm making time and shine real bright. Get on the spin, I'm twisted, put it on, minute back and when it make that from spin. All I want is money.
Like it when your body's in motion, how you move when no one's there. Your hands running through the ocean of your hair. Like it when the rain is falling, cause then we gotta stay inside. You know whichever friend is calling, you're all mine. Let him call you lazy. Let me drive you crazy. We're on the line. Nowhere to go. Let's stay in bed. Walk and take a rain check. Walk and take a rain check.
And there you have it. The two XB10s sound about as loud as the XB20. The main difference here is that the music from the two XB10s sounds a lot more open and wider and more room filling than the XB20, which sounds directional, like pointed at you. But bass coming out of the two XB10s is about the same as what's coming out of the XB20, which is one of the areas where the XB10 was lacking behind in the previous video. I do prefer the highs coming out of the two XB10s to those coming out of the XB20, but the mids of the XB20 sound better in my opinion. With that said, the stereo sound coming out of the two XB10s is really good. You can distinctively hear the right and left channel in the music with the XB10s, which sounds really amazing. You should have heard that if you were wearing headphones. And honestly, stereo separation is the main area where I see the XB20 losing to the two XB10s. So if stereo sound is not what you're looking for in the two XB10s, I still think the XB20 would still be the better choice here. But that's just me, and sound is so subjective. I'd like to hear what you have to say about these two in the comment section below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.